and today we are going to look at one of the foods we Ugandans look at as something which is disgusting. This food is snails. How do you call them in your language?
Snails, eju, snails.
Eju.
Snails also.
So today you're making snail recipe. So should I call it snail recipe?
Just to prepare snail, that's all. The way we cook it in Nigeria.
How would you prepare them?
We have different ways, but this is one of the major ways we prepare it down there in Nigeria, so West Africa.
Today have two countries in one video. This is
Nigerian
and I'm a Ugandan.
Yeah. Okay. Now, if you want to prepare the snails, you first get them. You know they are now on their shell. You got to remove it out, then wash it properly. Then you boil it first. You boil it first. Then before you cut it into two parts. Yes. Then you boil it. Then after that, you keep it. You can see the tomato which I sliced with the onions and the green pepper. Then we have our red pepper there, the West African pepper, the one that is very hot. Yeah, but it depends on the people who eat the pepper. But we, the Nigerians, we eat all the Nigerians eat the pepper.
Hot ones.
Yeah, exactly, the very hot ones. Okay. Not the other one you call chili. Yeah. Then after cooking the snail, you use these tomatoes and onions with groundnut oil to fry it again. There's a way you fry it. When I want to fry it, I will show you. Then when you fry it, all the ingredients with a cube. They call it Maggi cube, just little and little salt. You fry them together. It depends on the quantity. Then you know how you go about the ingredients. Then after that, I'm using this, we call it mukene here, because we don't have crayfish here, so I will use this small mukene also. I got to wash it with hot water. Then I will fry all of them together, but I will just use little of it. Then after that, you now dish it on a plate. Then you can see the other tomatoes which I sliced.
Let me bring them here.
Exactly. You can see the other tomatoes which I sliced, and the onions. Then these ones, you got to place it on top of the food as you're about to dish it out. Yeah. Then with the onions also on top of it. So that's how you just prepare it. Okay. It's just a simple method. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. You know, in Uganda, we don't eat snails.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
And I can't wait to taste.
Exactly.
But,
no, it's highly proteinous. It's a very nice food.
So what benefits are in snails?
It's protein. It gives protein also. Yeah, yeah. It's even better than red meat. You know that. It's a good.
Wow. So you want to mean we are missing out a lot from snails?
Exactly. You are missing a lot from snails also.
I don't think I'll ever taste that.
Okay then. But when I finish it, then if you taste it, you will be the one to confess.
I will not taste. I tell you, I will not taste. So keep watching as we go through this simple recipe.
Yeah, thank you. Nice.
Find a blood here, that means it's not preparing to have a newborn baby. That's when you saw blood here. This is it was a woman.
You use the lime to wash it, or you use lemon, or you use there's something we call alum. You can use alum also. Or if you don't see all these things, you can now use salt. But it's better with lemon or lime, like I'm using lime now to wash it, so that the gum will not be coming out again.
This is for us.
Yeah, this is the snails, eh? You can see us now eating the snails.
If you have a body pain, if you are eating it, all the body pain will go. Snail good because of hypertension, blood pressure. It keeps diabetes. If you are eating snail every time, all your blood pressure go down.
Thank you for watching. Today we looked at some of the foods we Ugandans or some Africans which we look at as something disgusting, and today I decided to bring this food close to you. Today we looked at snails. We Ugandans don't feed on snails, and we will never feed on snails. Maybe those people will come in, but thank you for watching. Today you have seen and you have heard the benefits of snails, what you can be healed when you eat snails. One of the diseases is heart disease, cancer, and more diseases, but I don't agree with this. So thank you for watching. Those who eat snails, this video is made for you, and those who would like to test or to learn how to eat snails or to cook them, this was the video for you. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe and keep this channel open as we learn, cook, and eat the African way. See you.